With the release of Cormant-CS version 13, we have optimized the scripting engine for better performance. This involves deprecating 6 scripting methods, primarily related to SNMP and component saving, in favor of newer, more efficient ones. This will show you what methods were changed in the scripting engine of version 13 and what updates you need to do. Let's get into it. Cormant-CS supports extensibility through scripting and web services. Scripting is built-in and ideal for updating components, attributes, and work orders, including querying devices via SNMP or WMI. For the component services, specifically SaveComponent method, most scripts correctly use TryUpdateComponentAttributeValue method for updating attributes. However, the subsequent call to SaveComponent appears unnecessary and can likely be removed to streamline the scripts. The release package includes updated versions of all pre-packaged scripts. Standard scripts should be replaced with these new versions, while customized or custom scripts must be manually updated to use the new method names. For SNMP methods, scripts should be updated to use the async and await keywords and replace the run method with run async. Changes made in the Web API. Some Web API endpoints that has been marked deprecated are now permanently removed. We use a more modern and secure REST API instead. This transition is driven by our commitment to providing faster, more scalable, and more secure integrations. For more details, you may refer to the following sections in the Web Service Programming Guide.
Have questions or need support? We're here to help.